What's good, YouTube? It's boy Pree, now back with another vlog. Yes, sir. I haven't vlogged in a minute. I ain't gonna lie. Day to day, Mar.
Day to day, Mar.
Yes, sir. So look, last time I've been to FAU, we did I believe it was a kiss or slap or some public interview. You know what I'm saying? So, but we at FAU right now. We about to do a vlog. We'll see what we can get into with these college students. Yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep tapping in, you know what I'm saying? You need some music videos and shit like that.
Who we with right now?
Shit, we with White Pree.
White Pree, okay.
That's me, right? Day to day Mar. Who with Big Worm? Big Worm?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright. Hey, that's off Friday, ain't it?
Yeah. I was just saying that because I fucking got fired from my job today, bro.
Yeah?
So I'm like,
how you get fired for your job, bro?
Man, I was getting some cutty for the first time, bro. It's
wait, at your job, bro?
Not my job, bro. Bro, I just had a breakup. You feel me? I've been trying to be humble. I ain't getting no cutty in 2 months, right? Got some cutty last night. I was late to work today, nigga. Like, I was late to work.
Oh, you
They like, yeah, he like, bro, you fired. There's no more second chance. I'm like,
so you,
third chance? I'm like, third chance? He like, no, you fired. I'm like, fuck you, too.
This is why you gotta make sure you call out.
What's your name,
You know
bro?
what I mean? Call out. If you're gonna do something like that, call out. Let your manager know. Yeah.
Nah, it's chill, bro.
What's your name, bro?
My name AK.
AK.
Yeah.
Okay.
The gun, yeah.
So, what you majoring in?
I major in business right now.
Business?
In finance, yeah.
Good. 'Cause I got my own. That's my own studio. So, you know what I'm saying, I do business basically.
Okay, better, yeah. I make music, so we gonna
tap in. Exactly. I might need you to manage the business.
Yeah, I got you.
I don't really
do this.
You know what I mean?
Get my cut from the shit. You get your cut. We gonna be little. This is a success. We saying it now. Yeah.
All right, bro.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Okay then. Oh. Them boys getting lit. You hear that music in the background? Them boys getting lit.
Everybody over there was dead as shit, though, bro. They were just vibing.
They probably got some shit going on later.
Yo, what's up, bro? We just doing a vlog. You mind being on video? Yeah. What's up, bro? What's your name? What's good, Jason? Yeah.
Dog,
just
Jason.
bored, bro. We just trying to figure out what to do. What you doing? My work.
You look like you study. That's what I was saying. You look like you studying.
Yeah, no, I'm just doing some chem work, bro.
Chem work?
Yeah. Some slight.
What's your major?
Medical biology.
Why'd you choose that?
I mean, like if this hooping stuff doesn't work out, I want to be a doctor. Cardiology.
Okay. So you
That's plan B though.
Trying to get it from early. Yeah,
hooping first.
Hooping first. Hooping first. Dogs are
What's our
balling.
YouTube channel? I'm subscribed to both of y'all. You got a car?
Yeah. No, make it easy.
I want to start a YouTube channel too.
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah, start it, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna do gaming, like hooping and stuff like that.
Bro, it's the best. I don't have a car, but it's White Pree. But it's the best time to start YouTube right now, bro.
Like vlogs, day in the life.
All
the
that
life stuff. I be doing like mostly clothing things, but I'm trying to like change my content for 2022 and do like some day in the life stuff, vlogs.
Yeah, that's hard. Y'all both go here?
Nah. We just walking around.
Oh, y'all don't go
Make
here?
sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all tap in.
Hygiene, but other than that,
Hit that subscribe button.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, that's me right there. Yeah, so he's in a few of my newest videos too, so you know what I mean? You watching it?
You in school, no?
Nah.
It ain't for you?
Nah, school's not for me, bro. Honestly.
Yes, sir. I'm about to sub up right now.
Cause like, I ain't telling you to drop right now, but I got my own business. Like, I have my own photography studio.
Bro, let me get that too, bro.
Yeah.
So you just take like,
you can do your damn hooping videos.
Yeah, I could do your hooping videos.
bro, like you can make like a whole like mixtape.
Type shit.
You edit too?
Yeah, I edit Premiere Pro, all that.
How much is that? Like if you were to make like a hooping video or something?
For that, I do like, ain't really that much, you know what I mean? So,
for sure, bro.
Yeah, man, make sure I tap in, like, comment, subscribe. So we out here.
Video idea, bro. Cause like, hey,
do you like the little campus like little question?
Yeah, definitely got that.
They've done that shit a couple of times.
Or it gets longer and longer every time.
Different team.
I don't know what kind of drama acting class that is, but they out there kissing. Get this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Wait, you record this one? Want to sit down? Do you have time?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so my boy Day over here doing the video. You know what I'm saying? So we vlogging. Let's get it.
Alrighty, bro. Thank you.
I'm being serious. I don't use
So, let me see you do it one second. You ever rode a rib stick?
No.
Is it similar? Oh, damn.
No, it's not. It's, these ones you swivel more often.
Damn.
The other ones you just kind of, like the lift kit, you kind of tilt your, it's like you tilt your foot lower down, like off, like, in this case, you can't really, it doesn't really tone by tilting it like this. It's toned by putting your toes in like a ghetto or thought.
I'm gonna get it. What? I'm gonna get it. One more time.
I was just, do you ride this way or?
Yeah, I like this one.
So I was pushing off with your back foot. Push up with your back foot. You get the
I'm not gonna do it, bro.
At first, if you're steady stick.
Pree, you should try it, bro.
Him clean, boy.